Hi, primary stage. I'm Miss Iman Said from Learn with Teacher Iman channel. Today, I will resume our summer course. But before I will go to our lesson today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Today, I will resume the next lesson in this course. Then I have a topic, I have a conversation topics and comprehension topics to practice for how to practice your skills on in understanding the text and how to do this kind of questions in the exams, in your exams. Okay, before I will go to do so, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our video today. Today, I will make a revise here. Here is we repeat again or we revise again for the keywords question, and we know every keywords and when we use it when we ask with this keywords. Here is we have what here to ask about something. We say when we say what's your name, so here I write my name. Where to ask about the place. Where you live, so then I write here the place I live in. When to ask about time, I get up at, for example, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, and so on. Who to ask about subject person. Why to ask about reason. Here is why do you go to school? We go to school to what? To learn, to gain information, okay, from our teachers. So all these reasons for going to school, yes, or these reasons for school. Who's here to ask about something? If position is difficult for you, I will say something is near this word. It will be here. Something is belong to me. When we say whose book is this, so I ask about this book belongs to what. So here, who's here to ask about something belongs to me. Whose car is this? It's my father's car, or it's my mother's car, or anyone. Right here, the one who belongs, or this car belongs to him. Okay. Okay. Which here to ask about the choice or to ask about something. Which do you prefer, English or French? You can write the language that you prefer. How to ask about state. How are you? We say I'm fine or fine, thanks. How old? To ask about age. So here I write my age. How many? To ask about numbers. How many brothers have you got? We say I have got 5 or 6 or 2 or anything, any number of brothers. How much? To ask a price. It costs how many years dinar? Dinar here because it's I think the one who writes this booklet is from, I think, Kuwait. I think so. So here we use the state currency, which is dinar. In Egypt, we use what? We use pounds. We say here it costs it costs, for example, 25 pounds. Or here dinar it costs 20 dinars, 10 dinars, and so on. Okay. How long here to ask about the length? We use it to ask about something. How long is this table? It's 5 meters, 6 meters, and so on. How often means how many times that I do this thing. Here is how often do you go to school? I go to school twice a week. Here is how big, so ask about the size. How big is this room? It's 20 meters. How deep? Ask about depths. How deep is the sea? It's 20 depths, for example, or 10 depths, and so on. You can write any numbers here in how the depth of the sea. How tall? To ask how tall used for what? For persons and trees. How tall are you? I'm 5 meters, 6 meters, and so on. How high? How high are Kuwait towers? Can say how are Kuwait towers, or how high are Cairo tower? It will be what? It will be can say the height of this tower. Okay, I can't know it exactly how high is it. Okay. Here is, let's go to right here. Here is time. Here is kind of question, and we have words, and the words here I put it here in this place. That the kind of it. We have time, we have food, we have days. So this is the word that I put it here in this table. Okay. Some of you saying, Miss Iman, why we do this exercise? We do exercise to examine. Are you know the words that related to time? Are you know the words related to food, related to days? So we must know every word related to any type of things. Okay, yeah, we say we have words related to time. We have words related to food. We have words related to days. Let's do it together and know more about this exercise. Here is time. We have here time. I have here morning. Related to time, yes, we have here morning. We have here afternoon. So here is the time that we use it. We use it during the day. Here is time. Here is morning, and here is afternoon. Let's go to the words related to food. It will be honey and rice. It will be here honey, and it will be here rice. Here we have days, Sunday and Tuesday. I answer 2 of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself, okay? To make your mind, okay? Sunday, it will be here Tuesday. Let's go to another one. Here is clothes. Here is clothes, words related to clothes, to months, to places. Let's select its suitable word for its suitable place. Here is clothes. We have here dress and socks. Related to clothes, we have here dress, and we have here socks. Okay. Months. Can you select the words related to months? September and April. Okay, April and September. And you must take care when you write the names of months and days or days of the week. It must be written in what? In capital letter. You must take care grade primary stage for this note. Okay, you must take care when you answer this when you write days and months must be written in must be beginning with capital letter. Okay, as names. Okay, here is places. Where is places here? It will be here garden and park. Garden is a small place, but park is bigger than garden. Okay, park is more wide than garden. Okay, here is park. Okay, so I answer 2 of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework. Let's go to the practicing part of our course today. Okay, here is I answer 2 of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework. Okay. I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework. Okay. Here we have color, body, drinks, which here refers to color brown, black, body. It will be here eyes and what? And brown. Drinks, it will be here coffee. There is coffee and what? Coffee and milk. Okay. In this part, we took the ordinal numbers, which is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. Okay. By this part, we end here from this course. I will leave the rest of the exercise to do it by yourself. I go to the part of the practicing of the practicing in this part of our course. Here we have a dialogue. I have a dialogue, and we have missing parts that we took together. This is the kind of conversation that we learned during the course. Here we say the dialogue between Ahmed and Hadi. Hi, how are you, Hadi? Hello, I'm fine. We're asked about what? About the place. Where will you go tomorrow? I will go to there. Here is we can say a club, park, and any place. So here I say club because here we have a club here. We can say here if we can't have a words here. It will be can be say what? Say park is a place. Say garden is a place. Okay, say garden is a place. All these places, yes, I can write it here. If I don't have any words, I can write it here. But here we have a club. So let's write a club. But I would like to say, if don't have a club here, you can write any place. Okay, but I write here club. Why? Because we have here a club. So I can't put anything except the club. Okay. But I would like to do so to tell you what that's why, because we have here where to ask about the place. What will you go to do in the club? So you're asking going to the club to do what? To play volleyball or to play. We can say volleyball. We can say football. We can say tennis. Anything, any sport that we practicing in club. We'll be back Here is it will be the answer. What time? Here is what time. I ask about the time that we will be back. It will be here. What time will be back? What time will you be back? Let's go to the comprehension text and answer the questions below. Okay. I'm Mustafa. I'm in primary 4. I like my school. My father, Hani, is a baker. He works in a bakery next to our house. He sells bread to people. My sister Heba, is a nurse. She helps doctors. She takes care of patients. She smiles at them, and all patients love her. She also looks after our family. My parents are very kind and help me a lot. Here is Heba is what here, as we told here in this part, here in the nurse. So I select this one, nurse. Mustafa is in primary what here, as we know here in this text, primary 4. So I select which one? 4. Heba helps what? Heba helps what? Helps patients. I think helps helps doctors. Okay, helps doctors because Heba here is a nurse. Where does Hani work? Hani work in what? He work in what? In a bakery. Works in a bakery. So the answer it will be bakery. Why do patients love Heba? Because helps him. Because Heba smiles at them. Because Heba takes care of the patient and smiles at them. So the patients love him. Let's go to another part here. To another text here. Mr. Adham is a famous cook. He's a chef at the best restaurant in Alexandria. He likes his job and tries to find new kinds of food to serve. People who eat his food say his food is the best in Alexandria. He wants to open his own restaurant. It will be clean and prices will be good. Here is Mr. Adham is good at what here? Good at what? At cooking. So here I put here the select one. It will be cooking. The prices in the new restaurants will be what? Will be the prices in the new restaurants will be good. So I select this one. He works in what? He works in Alexandria. So here is the place of the restaurant to be in Alexandria. What do people say about Mr. Adham's food? Saying what about his food? About his food, who eat food his food is what is best. Is the best. His food is the best. What does Mr. Adham want to do? Want to do what? He wants to open his own restaurant. He wants to open his own restaurant. Okay, let's go to another text here, and it will be the last text in this video. So I will end from this. This is the last one. I give it to you. Egypt is my country. It's great and famous. Many tourists come to Egypt to enjoy the fine weather. It's cold in summer and warm in winter. Tourists like visiting tourist places. They visit the pyramids at Giza, the temples of the temples at Luxor, and the Egyptian Museum in Cairo. There are a lot of famous beaches in Egypt. They can go swimming and have a good time on the sand there. The Nile is the longest river in the world. You can enjoy boat trips on it. There are 27 governorates in Egypt. I love my country very much. Here is the space the space in Egypt is warm and winter. So it will be what without thinking, weather. So here is the say weather, the weather. Okay, it will be the weather without thinking. The Nile is the longest river. Without thinking also, because we know that the river Nile is the longest one, is the longest river in the world. Tourists can visit Luxor to enjoy there. Luxor has a famous places that was famous with what? With temples. So it will be here temples. How many governorates are there in Egypt? It will be what here, as we know during the lesson. It will be here 27 governorates. Some of you saying, Miss Iman, can I write it in numbers? No, here is written in letters, so it must be written in letters. Okay. Why do tourists come to Egypt? Come to Egypt what? Tourists come to Egypt what? To enjoy. Here is they come to Egypt. Why tourists here come to Egypt? For why? Come to Egypt to enjoy the fine weather. So the answer of this question: tourists come to Egypt to enjoy the fine weather. By this text to end from our video today. I hope to enjoy and benefit from our video. Thanks a lot until you meet again. Goodbye.